Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the BN-Link indoor remote controlled outlet. This is an excellent thing if you have like a lamp or something where your light is on the other side of the room and you want to be able to turn it on when you enter the room. This is especially important in old houses or houses like built in the 60s where they seem to only have lamps in the house, and unfortunately there aren't any overhead lights, and then you have to like walk across the room in order to turn on a lamp. Well, guess what? Maybe you want to turn that on when you walk into the room. You can use this light switch, plug your lamp into this outlet, into the outlet, and then use that light switch to control it. So how do you do this? How do you use it? How do you set it up? Well, first of all, we had an unboxing video that you can check out in a card up here. That'll be on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. So watch that unboxing. Product was packed well. How do you use it? It's very, very simple. They have a nice little instruction booklet if you need to read that, but you probably don't even need to read this because you just know how to do it by plug and play. It's a very simple device that all you need to do is plug it in. So how are we going to do this? Well, here I've got, pretend this is your outlet in your wall, and then what you need to do is plug in this device into your wall outlet. So that's first step. One thing I want to test and show you though is that this outlet is working, so that we're not giving you any false ideas. So here we go. There you go. That's the light. Just pretend that's your lamp. You see the outlet is working, or the cord is working. We're going to call it the outlet from now on. You're going to plug this into your wall. Boom. There you go. Then, if you want to read the instructions, you see here we have the outlet socket, the function toggle button, which switches between on and off, and then for remote pairing. Then you have an indicator light, and then you have the power plug. All right. So here, this would be our indicator light, and this is for pairing the remote. That is the remote. So let's just make sure this is working. There we go. Indicator light is on. Now let's plug this in. Okay, you can see the outlet is on. Let's see if the remote is paired. Okay, there we go. So right now we paired it on number 1. You say, well, what are the other ones for? Well, what if you had other things plugged into it and you wanted to pair certain buttons to it? How do you do that? Hold it down, see how it's blinking? Now we can program. Let's say we want it to be this button. There we go. Now, does this button still work? Yes. Does this button work? Yes. Does this one work? No. Well, maybe we want it to be all 3 buttons. Hold that down. Push it. There we go. Now what if we don't want one of these to work? You know, right now it's on and off on any of them. So hold it down. Okay, push it. Still works. So how do you remove one? Real simple. We're going to go through this just like you would. Okay. Not working very well, is it? So, handy dandy instruction manual, operating instructions. This is going to tell you how good this works. Indicator light, manual operation, turn on and off, pairing, press and hold the button on the outlet, press any button on the remote, it will flash quickly. If pairing is not completed, skip it. It can store up to 5 remote control button codes. So that means you can prepare with 5 different remotes. Unpairing it, press and hold the button on the outlet while it is plugged in. The outlet will enter pairing mode, then continue holding till it flashes slowly. It will erase all paired remote controls. So that would be the only thing that I would say. It would sure be nice if you could unpair it without doing all of them. So let's just do that one time. You can see how it works. There we go. Now press and continue to hold. And now it's a little slower. Did that wipe it all out? No. Press and continue to hold. There we go. Didn't seem to work. Let's try this again. Maybe we messed something up. This is why we do it here for you. To unpair all remote controls, press and hold the button on the outlet while it is plugged in. The outlet will enter pairing mode. Continue holding until it flashes slowly, then flashes quickly twice, and finally turns off. So it is on and plugged in. Continue holding till it flashes slowly, and then flashes twice, and then turns off. That must have erased it. Let's see. Nope. Let's try it again. First, it will enter pairing mode. Continue holding until it flashes slowly, and then flashes twice, and finally turns off. Okay, now it's off. It's not working. That's interesting. Well, if you have any questions or comments, you can post them below. But based on these instructions, we have to unpair, press and hold the button on the outlet while it is plugged in. We did that. The outlet will enter pairing mode. We saw that. Continue holding until it flashes slowly. We saw that. Then it flashes twice and turns off. It did all of that. This will erase all paired remote controls. It did not do that. So there are no additional instructions on this. That is very, very interesting. So if you have any questions about this, there is a 12-month warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Unfortunately for me, not pairing it and not pairing it doesn't really matter, because once it's paired, I'm happy with that. I can plug whatever I want in there. I don't need to unpair it. But if you wanted to do that and it doesn't work, that would be a problem for you, because you would want it to be the same. Let's see if it works. If I unplug it and plug it back in, yep, still paired. So if you wanted to unpair it, I guess I don't know the solution for that, but that is why this is the how-to video channel. I'll be bringing that up in the review video. Of course, the creator BN Link might comment on the video with a solution, and so then you can check those comments down below to see if they have a solution for how to unpair. We followed the instructions in the instruction manual. It didn't work, and so if you have figured it out, feel free to comment below. Otherwise, that has been the how-to video for the BN Link indoor remote controlled outlet. I really like it. Personally, I think it would be great. Plug in a lamp and you have a light switch. You can just put this on your wall. It's with the little 3M sticky note right there. There's a little battery. I bet if you remove this battery, maybe that would unpair something, but it looks like that's pretty well stuck in there. It might be magnetic, actually. But the point is, that's it. It's very simple to use. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. Hopefully you liked this video. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay tuned to future videos. And for those of you who are saying this guy doesn't even know what he's doing, hey, we test all these products in real time. I'm not testing them and making a glorified video for you guys. This is real-time testing on the how-to video channel. How to do it, how we're doing it, how to troubleshoot through it so that you don't have to make the same mistakes we do here. And this is for your benefit. So hopefully you like that. Continue to support us with a subscribe, a like, comment below as well. Thank you.